Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa has a very beautiful, this is half of the chicken actually. It is the black leg chicken. One of my favorite. I think they rear this fish, I think they rear this chicken for at least about 70 or 80 days. Yeah, so it has more chicken flavor compared to normal farm chicken, which is only 27 days. Yeah. What we do here, after I cut it into chunks, I'm going to marinate it and then put in a bit of ginger and garlic, and then I will send it to steam. Right, so first of all, I would give some fine salt. Then I'll give you some ginger slices. I'll give some fried garlic oil and fried garlic. All this is to add extra flavor, yeah? But all natural ingredient. And I'll give you some Shaoxing wine. First is to remove, it will help to remove the gaminess of the chicken, if any. Secondly, it will give it a nice aroma as well towards the end. And to give it more broth, I will add some filtered water, so that later we are going to have more chicken stock. Right, ready to be sent to the steamer. Right, preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then slowly we put in the chicken in the middle. Alright. And let it steam for about minimum 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So this is after about 20 minutes. Wow. Wow. I can smell the ginger, I can smell the Shaoxing wine. Very, very fragrant. Oh, so beautiful. Can you see it? Very, very beautiful. Look at the beautiful yellowish color. Right, before we serve, I'm going to top it out with some extra fried garlic. Extra flavor. Okay, done. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.